Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have an unboxing for you guys, and it didn't say the name on the box where it came from, but I have a good feeling who it is because it comes from Las Vegas. I know someone that lives in Las Vegas, which is Cactus Caffeine Anna. So I think this is from her. Look at the beautiful card. Oh, hello there. Yep. Dear Emily, I hope you enjoy this simple treat from my backyard. The cacti that you just sent me are doing well. The Protea is in flower right now. Cheers, Anna. Thank you, Anna, so much. I am so excited to open this. Let's see what we got here. Everything was so very well packaged. I'm gonna put the box on the side and bring everything up here. So it says Aloe Snowstorm. Let's see if this, I think I have one. I know there's quite a few that look like it. Look at that, she packed it so well. Ooh, it had flowered. Pretty. Okay, so this one's a bit greener than the one that I have, so this could be different. Mine could be different. I'm not sure of the name of mine, so this one could definitely be, mine could definitely be different. So this is really pretty. Thank you so much. So pretty. So let me remember the name. I'll put it on the side so I remember the name. Oh, there's something in here. So cute. Let's see. It's in here. Oh, what are these? Wait, did she write something on it? Oh, she'll tell me. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. They're so cute. And I love the color. I'm not even showing it. Let me see. Focus here. Look at that. I love the color. I have a perfect little pot for them. That's going to be perfect in there while they grow. It's two of them. And aren't they so cute? Oh, thank you, Anna. Oh, the name is on here. Labivia. Okay. Around. I can't say that. That was a good idea of putting the name on the little container. Thank you on the pot. She probably grew that herself. She probably grew that herself. That's exciting. So this is a Gasteria. So I have one of these, but it does look different than hers. So I'm really happy to add this beauty to my collection. Oh my gosh, look at that. So beautiful. So pretty. Three of them. But it's three of them, but I think I'll pot them together. I really like the look of them together. Very pretty. This is so exciting. This is heavy. What is this? Oh, it's a Horthia. Look at that. She's so big. Wow. This is a big one. Look at that. So pretty. Very nice. That's a big one right there. Really pretty Horthia. Thank you, Anna. So nice. Hold on. I'm looking at one. This is very spiny, so I'm going to wait for that one. So this is Gasteria Aloe. She packed it very well. So yeah, this one is different. You can see that it looks like a Gasteria and an aloe combination. This is really cool. Really cool looking plant. Look at that. I really like the way it looks. Like this. So pretty. Very pretty. Thank you. So nice. Move it to the side. This is a blue elf aloe. So I think there's one called like the hedgehog, and then there's the blue elf. Oh yeah, this is really pretty. Yeah, mine is different than this. This is it's got a lot of that powdery protection, and my other aloe does not create any of that, and it's darker. So yeah, this is definitely different than mine. Excited to add it to my collection. These grow pretty quickly. Okay, let's see if this is in here. Excited. Got some breeze going on today, which I like. We're going to be careful with this one. I don't have scissors near me. What is that? Teddy bear. Oh my gosh, I think it's a chola. I wonder if this is the same one as that Melissa has as well. Oh, she has a beautiful big chola. I mean, it's huge. Because it produces like a lot of, what you call those? Arms, stems, whatever you want to call it. It branches out a lot, and hers is huge. So let's see if this looks the same. Yes, this is so cool. Wow. Thank you so much, Anna, for sending me this. I've never seen like a chola here. I've never seen them at the store or anything like that. Not even at the nursery that I've gone to. Just like I'm hitting it like very softly to knock down the debris that's stuck in the spines. But look at that. That looks cool. She's so pretty. Very, very nice. It's got a little light green and then like a dark blue up here. Very pretty. Anna, thank you so much. I feel so blessed that you are sharing your garden with me. I appreciate you and I appreciate your videos. They're so informative. Thank you. I'm excited. And yeah, I can't wait to pop these up, and then I'll show you guys what they look like once they're all potted up. Here they are, all potted up. Look at how cute these look. And then these right here. And it's gonna be raining. It's been raining already, but I don't know if it's done raining. But I will put these outside to get some rain, and they'll be fine. Only those. This one I already watered, just because they're so tiny, and I just gave them a little bit of water. And then those are so cute. So yeah, I'm excited to add these to the collection. And yeah, and the beautiful chola. That's super cute. The chola for now is gonna stay in here, but I'm pretty sure she probably can handle Florida weather. Some cactuses do very well in Florida, no matter what. So yeah, some of them, not all, but chola, I don't know. The chola looks like a type of cactus that can hold her own. We'll see. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. Anna, thank you so much for sending me these beautiful plants. Thank you again, and yeah, guys, have a blessed day. Bye, guys.